Hey, this is the unboxing of. I haven't a clue what all this stuff is. I think I saw Hello Kitty, but I haven't a clue what to even call this. Fan! Getting quieter and quieter. It is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Look at all this stuff. Look at all of that. Is that phenomenal? Here's the price. Well, you probably already know the price. Just looking for it. What is it? Ah, here it is. 300 yen for all this stuff, but I haven't a clue. Each one, look at that, they want 108 yen. That includes the tax. Look at all this stuff. It's a deal. A steal deal. But for those of you that don't need this stuff, it's just junk. Wow, everything they wanted was 100 yen. Now, why would somebody want to put it in a 300 yen bag when just 3 of these, 1, 2, 3 is the same price for all of these. Oh, look at all of this. Okay, so the whole thing is, do I really want to spend the time opening every single one of these? Probably not. I'll just show it to you. Two. Winking. 3. I think that's a deal. 3. 4. What is this? It's a squishy. It squishes. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look. It's like slime is inside it. Can you see? Slime. Squishy slime. Ew, I could feel it through the bag. Okay, so that's 5 right there. What is this guy? Does he look cute to you? I know you wouldn't pay 108 yen. I wonder what his retail price was. 1, 2. Tadashi Yamaguchi. What is a Tadashi Yamaguchi? Keychain holder. See his face on that side? Who is this guy? Who is Waldo? Yeah, he's not here. Who? Oh, that's where is Waldo? Not who is Waldo. Where is Waldo? Who is Tadashi Yamaguchi? Oh, Haikyuu. This is from Haikyuu. That's one of my favorite programs. Yeah, I got too many favorite programs. But yeah, Haikyuu. My best friend got me into Haikyuu. His name is Leonard. His daughter got him into Haikyuu, so He would want this. I don't remember who Tadashi Yamaguchi is, but he would want this. He loves Haikyuu. We're waiting for the 3rd or 4th season to come out. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. Here's 4. Who's this guy? 4, 5. Anpanman. So that's 10 already. That's over 1,000 yen. 1,080 yen right there. 300 yen! 300 yen! Junk. Oh, we'll put these 3 in here. Okay, so who is he? This guy. He looks like a fox. Some type of fox. Kitsune. 1. Of course, this is an Anpanman character. Is it Melonpan? I don't know. 2. 3. And of course, Doraemon from the Stone Age. 3. 4. 5. He's a clip. This looks like Disneyland. Yeah, Disney. But it's disney.co.jp. Sunstar Daikato Kuripu. Daikato Kuripu. What is that? Pixar. This is from Pixar. Disney Pixar. I don't know. Do you recognize this guy? Disney Pixar. Disney.co.jp. What's the end of the part? I can't read it. DCP? So, disney.co.jp/DCP. And then you can look them up. So where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5. 6. 7. Oh, from One Piece. What was the name again? I said it last time. I can't remember now. Oh, Snoopy. Pillbox. I think it's a pillbox. Earring box. Pierced earring box. I don't know. Looks like a Doraemon character, but I don't know. Sometimes they look all alike after a while. So what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, 9. We'll do this 10. Oh, look, Luffy. Gomu 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 for 108 yen. That's 2,000 yen now. It's 2,000 yen worth of stuff. Wow, 2,000 yen plus tax. 2,106, okay. And still got left over, look at this. Okay, so who's this guy? I don't know, a Robotech guy that looks like an insect. I don't know where he's from. 1. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this, right? You wanna use this? Should we put it on Hello Kitty? Look at this. I don't want that. What is this doing in here too? Toy Story! What was I can't remember his name. It says toy. Toy Story. Of course, Disney Pixar. I wonder what he does though. Keychain, I think. I think this guy's from Anpanman series. I don't know what his name is. He looks like some type of rice cooker type thing. You know, you put the rice in, or you make stuff. You eat it with the rice. Oops, over here. I would say kamameshi, but I don't know. Oh, look, Style Fighter. Oh, yeah, this is something I like, but I wouldn't pay 108 yen for it. Whoa, it's even got wheels. I don't know if they move, I can't tell. This is the B2. Oh, it even has U.S. Air Force on it. Look at that, U.S. Air Force. U.S. Air Force. Can you see it? Hey, even said, no, yeah, it says USAF. I wonder if the Japanese have the stealth bomber. Did the U.S. sell them a stealth bomber? Oh, these guys are ugly. How ugly can you get? And they're popular. That's ugly. Oh, that's so ugly. Ugly. I gotta take this out of the bag. These guys are so ugly. I gotta show you. They are so effing ugly. How do you open this? Look at that. Would you buy somebody like that? Ugh. He looks like a grandpa baby. They don't even stand up. What's up with that? They're not even balanced. Ugly. Not even a mother would want this type of face. Jeez. Yuck. Oh, yucko. Oh, these kind of stands up. What do you think? What are they called? And instead of huggy babies, maybe they're uggy babies. Blah. Oh, we'll leave them there because they're so ugly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got 5 more to do. What is this? Is that a Mario, Super Mario Brothers type thing? Yeah, it looks like it. 1. Ooh, balloons. Who's this guy? Ever seen that guy? I've never seen that guy. Let's see if it says anything. And no, just made in China. This is pretty good though, but I don't know where he's from. 2. 3. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Manami-chan. I have no idea where Manami-chan is from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where are we at? 4,000? 4,000 yen now? Jeez. For 300 yen. Wow. 300 yen. Such a deal. Would you pay 300 yen for over 4,000 yen worth of stuff? Ah. You can't see him, but the keychain's in the way. But he's another One Piece character. One Piece for one. Who's this guy? He looks like a One Piece character too. I think this is what was his name? The cook. What's Cook's guy's name that smokes? Can't remember. Oh yeah, we have this doll, right? Remember this doll? 3. Oh, Ampan-man. He's not smiling though. Is he a candle? Does that look like a candle? I guess we should open it up. What is this? Okay, so he has this. What is that for? And he's got this on the top of his. So what is this? Well, we already know it's Anpanman's face. Well, what is it? Maybe use it. Put a candle there. Put a candle on top. What's this for, though? What would you put this on top of? Oh, look, it's got feet, too. I didn't even notice that. Okay, we'll leave him out because I haven't figured out what he is. Gotta get a cloth. Tablecloth. Can you read that? I can't read that. What does that say? Something about water? What is in here? Can you see what that is? Okay, guess it's time to open it up. I have no clue.